It'll outrun just about any Harley Davidson. They hate me. Yeah, one of the last times I rode it, there's a biker club out near the 7 Mile Bridge in Tawakoni, going west Tawakoni to east Tawakoni. And their biker club is right there, and all the motorcycles are lined out, and they're out there drinking. And I rode that bike by, and every biker got on his bike and started chasing after me. Now, I mean, I wasn't going over the speed limit, but they were all following me, and then right on the other side of the bridge, just so happened to have an East Tawakoni cop sitting right by the bridge. So I turned around in the bridge and went across the other side, and they kept on going.
Your 125 and 250, are they like enduros? Or?
No, the 125 is a 1 year only bike. They only made 1 year 125 in that 1984. I also have a parts bike that's a 150, where the motor and everything will switch on over. And that's
hello, madam. Your Apo is here.
I'm 280, and it'll pull me down the road 65 miles an hour. On that 125, and it gets about 100 miles to the gallon. The 250, the 250 Suzuki, that's like it's a similar style to the Kawasaki. It's a cruiser bike, you know, and it's a 60-mile-an-hour bike.
Cellphone pa more.
Well, you really like carrot cake.
Yeah. I got a big piece.
Ooh.
Yeah, I bought new batteries for all of them. I got to get them out of the mothball. I had them all mothballed. Drained the gas and, you know.
Wow, yummy. Where's yours?
2 of them are in the shed and 1 of them's on the porch.
Ice cream. You want ice cream, babe? Mm-hmm. Carrot. Carrot cake. Carrot. Mario, angkan.
Well, he's got a lot of hair.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he was born with hair.
That's a good sign.
But unfortunately, eventually he's gonna start losing it like me.
You think so?
More than likely.
I think it goes to the grandfather on the mother's side.
Well, my grandfather on my mother's side had a full head of hair until he died.
Yeah. Well, my dad was bald.
Yeah, my dad was bald.
He had the
lost his hair too.
But you see, on my mother's side, her dad had a full head of hair. Yeah. Yeah. And my big brother, he had a full head of hair. He died at 59. But his hair was all gray, all white. And my hair, I mean, yeah, I got a little salt and pepper going, but I'm doing pretty good. I don't think I'm going to lose any of it.
Yeah, you ain't lost it yet, so you ain't going to lose it.
Oh, no.
You lucky.
My dad was, when he was in his late 40s, he started getting bald.
Thank you,
late 40s?
No, maybe early 40s. Yeah, he died at 56 years old.
Ina si Madam Kusit na magbisitan sa siyang apo. Come visit your apo, Kusiting. Oh my goodness, ice cream. Thank you, Mom Virginia.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Want some?
Oh, no. No, thank you.
You're missing something.
Well, I had a lot of that candy I made. I made some fudge.
Next time, make some peanut brittle.
I can make peanut brittle. That's easy to make. The only problem with that, man,
Good,
is
huh?
not to burn the hell out of yourself making it. Yeah, I made that. I made caramel corn, but I don't have to keep the true peanut butter. I like peanut butter.
Me too. We used to buy it from See's Candy. You ever heard of See's Candy?
See's Candy?
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
Really? Yeah, they don't got them out here in Texas. I seen them at one place out here. I seen them at a mall, I think, somewhere out here in Texas. But they're all in California. See's Candy.
I've seen peanut butter with the Tractor Supply. They'll have it.
And Buc-ee's has it, I think.
Yeah, I haven't been in Buc-ee's.
Oh, you haven't been in the Buc-ee's?
Well, I've been in the one off of 35 a long time ago, but not the one here.
Let me show Mama.
What do you think about the war going on, huh?
I don't give a shit. Fuck the Ukraine and fuck the Russians. I'm sick of hearing them.
I just hope it doesn't spread. I figured China would take Taiwan while Russia's doing their business.
Hell, I mean, that's on the other side of the world, and it has nothing to do with us. I don't even know why we're so involved. You know, why?